In today's video, I'm going to give you my special recipe for everyone who wants to lose fat deposit and wants to maintain healthy weight. This is Miracle Green Tea. What is used for? It speeds up metabolism and accelerates the burning of the fat deposits. Considering that green tea can increase the metabolic rate in the short term, it makes sense that it could help you lose weight. Several studies shown that green tea can help reduce body fat, especially in the abdominal areas. Some study shows that green tea can also lead increased weight loss. It can be especially effective in reducing dangerous abdominal fat, against cancer, dementia, diabetes, heart attack and the stroke. Preparation: 1 tablespoon of green tea leaves, 250 milliliters of boiling water, juice of the half lemon, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Procedure: boil the green tea and the ginger in the pot over low heat. After 5 minutes, strain the tea. Now add lemon juice, drink while still warm. Drink 2 times a day, especially before meals. 15 till 30 days in a row, then take the break. So this perfect tea with green tea, also with the ginger and the lemon, is unbelievably healthy for you. This is also one of the recipe in my new book that is called Miraculous Natural Remedies Part 2. You can buy it on my web shop, and if you want to find out how to lose 10 kilograms in just 1 month in perfectly safe natural way, watch video right here. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.